How to set different wallpaper on lock screen and home screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward gallery, select the picture which you want to set as wallpaper, click on more and click on set as wallpaper. Now when you click on apply to option, you will see three options here: lock screen, home screen and home and lock screen. So to set a different wallpaper in both your screens, simply choose of any one of the option. So if I set this picture as a lock screen wallpaper, I simply need to click on the first option. Now for a home screen, select a different picture and follow the same step. In that way you will be able to set different wallpaper on your screen. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.